Guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be getting September 2025 Starlight skin, which is Hanabi skin. So let's purchase the membership, and I only have one premium Starlight here, so let's use the premium Starlight. Starlight border, nice. So let's claim all the rewards. Oh, nice. Oh, Hanabi is so hot in this new skin. So it's called Chick Glamour. What a coincidence. A very hot skin and it's called Chick Glamour. Hanabi is a chick here. A bay. So this is my 650th skin on my main account. So if you're a Hanabi main, get this now. Let's claim all the privileges. So get your Hanabi skin now. Let's check out the painted skin, but I'm not gonna buy it now. And we can still buy all the other skins like the Rainy Walk. So nothing new. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Are you a Hanabi main? Do you already have a Starlight skin? Comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ay wait, sorry. I changed my mind. Let's see the effects of the Hanabi skin. Let's start with the passive. Ooh, nice shield. Nice. Second skill. Pretty plain. Oh, I like the basic attack, ah. Oh, Higanbana. Oh, dragon. Let's see the basic attack. How it bounces. Oh, looks like a star. Oh, nice effect, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. I think this is a pretty cool and pretty sexy skin for Hanabi. Get yours now for only 300 diamonds if you're purchasing a Starlight card. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.